Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood. This is the entrance. Very large living room. It has its own dining area. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceilings. On the entrance on the left is a closet. And also there's another closet here. And this could be the dining area for the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen with a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Has dishwasher, more cabinets, beautiful tile floors. This is the dishwasher. Windows in the kitchen. Very clean. Very large apartment. The living closet here. This is one of the bedrooms here. Has a window. It has own closet, double door closet here. The bathroom here, all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. And this is the second bedroom, also a large bedroom. You can put a king-size bed. It's got 2 windows and its own closet, double door closet, a large closet. The apartment is very close to a train, the NF train. 5 minutes walking distance to One Week train station on Queens Boulevard, very close to grocery shops. It's gonna go very quick. It's a very good price. If you like it, come apply right away. You call me or text me anytime. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.